수업 시작하겠습니다. Okay, students, so far we just watched the video of AlphaGo and we talked about the future job in our partners. So like this, we are going to have more different kinds of jobs in future, right? So today we are going to read about this. Are you guys excited? Great. So we are going to have a let's read time. Let's read. So, Sumin, what do you see on the second handout? Yes, there is a reading text, but everyone, something strange. What is the strange part? Yes, Hyung, we don't have any title, right? So from now on, we're going to make a title. But Hyunjung, to make a title, which thing do we have to know first? Yes, the main idea. So to make a title, we should know the main idea first. So from now on, I'm going to give you 1 minute to find the main idea, okay? So is 1 minute long or short? Yes, Minsu. Yes, it's very short. So do you have to read quickly or slowly? Yes, quickly, okay? So you don't have to read you don't have to understand every single word. Just find the main idea. 1 minute, go. Okay, time's up, students. So can anyone tell us the main idea? Hyunwoo? Yes, that was a smart answer. So the main idea was the future job. So can anyone make a title out of it? Haram? Oh, we should prepare ourselves for the future job. Yes, that's a great title. And what else? Yes, Juhyun? Yes, that's also a great title. So like this, keep in mind that main idea has close relationship to what? Yes, to the title. Okay, so we just read for the main idea, and are you guys ready to read the text a little bit more closely? Yes, Hyun. So from now on, we're going to read the text a little bit more closely. So everyone, look at the screen here. Click. So Jackson, at the back, do you see the screen? So what do you see on the screen? Yes, there is a question, right? So from now on, we're going to find the answers to the question. And the question was, yes, Hyunjung, we need to find the 2 jobs introduced in our text, okay? I'm going to give you 2 minutes to answer those questions, okay? All right, but to find the answer, do you have to read the whole text or just necessary part closely? Yes, the necessary part closely, okay? All right, I'm going to give you 2 minutes, answer the question. Go. Oh, Vincent, do you need help? Oh, there are so many difficult words. Then why don't you look at the back of the worksheet? What do you see? Yes, there is a word list, right? So with this word list, can you find the answer by yourself? Great, I love your effort. Keep up the good work. And Sumin, wow, are you finished? Wow, you're such a quick reader. Then why don't you help your partner, Minsu? Yes, like this, friends can be a better teacher, right? Okay, time's up, students. So, can anyone tell us the first job introduced in the text? Yes, Hyunwoo? Right, it was a self-driven car mechanic, right? Self-driven car mechanic. And what was the next one? What else? Oh, yes, Hyunjung? Yeah, it was drone traffic organizer, right? Drone traffic organizer. Okay, so we just read the text, same text twice. Then, by any chance, is there anyone who was able to find an expression that was used repeatedly throughout the text? Yes, Donghyuk? Wow, did everyone hear what Donghyuk said? He said the expression will be ing was used repeatedly throughout the text. That's great. So where did you find it, Donghyuk? The second line. Can you read it out loud? Everyone found it? Alright, underline it. And we have one more. Yes, Hyewon? The third line from the bottom. Can you read it out loud? Everyone found it? Okay, underline it. So, will be ing is going to be our, target expression. But, students, do you remember when we use will? Because we learned this. We learned will in our last previous grammar class. Anyone remember? Yes, student? Yes, we use will when we want to describe what? Yes, describe the future. Then, when do we use bing? Yes, Jonghyun? Yes, we use bing when we want to describe, something that happens continuously. That's right. Then, students, can anyone guess when we use will, bing? Can anyone guess? Yes, Donghyuk? Wow, that was a wonderful guessing. So, Donghyuk said we use will be ing when we want to describe that something that happens continuously in the future. That was excellent guessing. So it's like easy math, right? Okay, so keep this in mind because we are going to practice this expression. We will be using this expression, right? Okay, so far we just read about the future job, right? But students, would it be all? No, right? We are going to have more different kinds of jobs in future, right? So from now on, we are going to do some research. So let's research. So everyone look at the third handout. So Sumin, what do you see on the third handout? Yes, there are many different kinds of future jobs listed, and what is your last part? What is your last line? Yes, there is a blank for your group's idea, right? So we're going to have a discussion and decide. You're going to decide your group's idea, okay? Alright, so 상우, 은우, 경민, 동혁, 지은, you five. So everyone is in the group? Okay, so from now on, we're going to discuss and decide your group's future job, okay? But whenever we have a discussion, which rule do we have to follow? Yes, 상우, the LRT rule, right? So, what's L, Yebi? Yes, L was, listen. And what's R, Jongmin? Yes, R was respect. So you should respect your friend's idea. And what's T, Unnu? Yes, T was, take turns. So, keep this rule in mind. And if you guys have any difficulties, I just brought a newspaper and magazine. So you can use whatever you want, alright? Alright, so Hoyeong, what are we going to do? Yes, we are going to have a discussion and decide your group's idea, alright? 15 minutes, go! Wow, everyone is participating so passionately. So like this, if you work together, you can come up with some better ideas, right? Okay, excellent. And group 2, do you need any help? Oh, you're having difficulties with coming up with some new ideas about the future jobs. Then why don't you use the newspapers or the magazines over there, as I mentioned earlier? Yes, does that help? Alright, good. Dong, remember, what was the T rule? Yes, take turns. So make sure everyone is in the discussion, alright? Okay, 2 minutes left, students. Does any group need more time? Okay, time's up. So group 1, what was your group's idea? Yes, that was, drum power. That's good. And group 2? The space guide. Okay, and finally the last group. Yes, very smart idea. So like this, every group has their own, group ideas, right? Okay, so from now on, we are going to move on to the next part. So, Sangmin, what do you see on the next part? Yes, there are many blanks, right? So from now on, we are going to complete the blanks with your group members, okay? So you are sitting like this. So students here, raise your hand. You, okay? You're going to be the presenters. We are going to have a presentation after this activity, okay? Presenter, get ready for that. And students here, all right, you guys are going to be the writer. And here, you, okay? You guys be the word master. And students here, raise your hand. Okay, you guys be the researcher. Researcher. So, researchers, what is our job? Yes, Unu, if our group needs to find more information, that is your job, okay? So researchers, you can use the newspaper, magazine, or even my laptop, all right? Okay, so if your group needs to find more information, that is your job. And students here, raise your hand. What's your job? Your job is blogger. Okay? Great. And bloggers, what do you have to do? Yes, Jaeyoon? Yes, as we always do, bloggers, we should upload our writing to our Google Classroom, okay? To make our classroom portfolio, okay? Good. So, from now on, I'm going to give you 15 minutes to complete the third handout, okay? So, Hoyoung, so what are we going to do? Yes, we are going to complete the third handout. And Hoyoung, what is your job? Yes, it's blogger, right? Okay, 15 minutes, go. Okay, time's up, students. So, first presenter, are you ready? Alright, come to the front. You can start whenever you're ready. Wow, that was a great presentation, right? Then, what was the first group's idea? Yes, it was a strong pilot, right? And group 2, are you ready? You can start. Alright, you can go back to your seat, and finally the last group. Okay, so let's give them a big hand for the presenters. Alright, good. So, we just enjoyed all the presentations, and I was very impressed because all of the presentations were very realistic, but at the same time, it was very creative. I'm so proud of you guys, very creative. So, good job, everyone. So far, we talked about, and we read, and we even did the research about what? Yes, about the future job. Then, does anyone remember our last lesson objective? Our final goal? Yes, Insel? Yes, it was my own future job, right? My future job. So, from now on, we are going to write our own future job. So everyone, look at the screen here. Click So what do you see on the screen? Yes, Sangmin? Mm-hmm. Yes, it's a sample writing, right? So this is the sample writing from the senior last year. So you're going to write like this sample writing. So Hyunwoo at the back, so can you read the sentence? Mm-hmm. The first sentence? Yes. So what was the first sentence about? Yes, it was the job and reasons. So like this, there are several things you shouldn't forget when you are writing. Okay? So like Hyunwoo said, the first part was about the job and the reason. The reason you chose it. Okay? And Eunseok, can you read the second part of the sample writing? Yes, the second part was about what? Yes, about the description of the job and what? Yes, it was the required skills. Alright? Okay, and does anyone remember our key expression for today? Yes, Donghyun, it was will be ing, right? So we're going to practice here. So your writing should include will be ing. And finally, lastly, your writing should include more than 5 sentences. Okay? Good. Remember that the best writing will be posted on the school bulletin board. Alright? So do your best. So don't forget these things, and I'm going to give you 15 minutes to write your own future jobs. 15 minutes, go. Oh, Jaeyoon, do you need any help? Mm-hmm. Oh, you don't know how to start a sentence. Then why don't you look at the back of the worksheet? What do you see? Yes, there is an expression list, right? So with this expression list, can you write your own paragraph? All right, keep up the good work. And, oh, Hyunjung, you already finished? Wow, what a quick writer. Then why don't you write another paragraph with another job? Because in future, there are going to be lots of jobs there, right? Good, good job. 2 minutes left, student. Is there anyone who needs more time? Okay, time's up. So, we just wrote about our own future job, right? Then, don't you want to know your friend's future job? Right, so we're going to have a check time. Check. So, whenever we have a check time, which things do we have to complete? Yes, we should complete the checklist, right? So from now on, I'm going to give you the checklist. Here you are, and here you are. Take one and pass them to the back. All right, Jaewoon at the back. Did you get the checklist? Okay, can you read the first part of the checklist? Yes, it's the content, right? So can you read the description of the content? Yes, it's about the job reason, description skills. So your friend's writing include these things, you check here. And what's the next one? Eunseok, it was language use. So, and what was this one about? Yes, this one is related to this one. So your writing should include will be ing. And finally, what was this part? Yes, it says the length. So your friend's writing should include more than 5 sentences. And don't forget to write comment, okay? Comment here. So I'm going to give you 10 minutes to complete the checklist, okay? 10 minutes, go. Okay, time's up, students. So give it back to your friend, and I'm going to give you 5 more minutes to revise your writing. 5 minutes, go. All right, time's up, students. So today we learned about the future job, right? So, to be better prepared for the future, which things do we have to do? Yes, we have to know about ourselves, alright? So, I hope this class be helpful to your future. That's all for today and have a great weekend. 이상 수업 시간 마치겠습니다.